enkora ya Dr. Deep nehwera district ezirukwata hampungi omwihanga kubasa kutungura ebyemberaho y'abantu obwa hati district 15 mu Uganda nazo zirukuganyirwa mu nkoreji obuyaba nasimbura omushorongo gw'empungi benamushanju okuruga omwihanga lya DRC okuzomora na Chuvale Refugee Settlement Camp muri Sinjiro anyakuni yayereka ngo district ya Kisoro na n'izindi ezempungi zirukushikiraho nezija kuganyirwa omuntebekane sejero kurataho.
Government is going to consider through the World Bank phase 2 Dr. D project Kisoro district, because it's the transit center where most of the asylum seekers are now coming through to get to settle in Uganda. So because it is a transit center, like last year, we had a very big influx of refugees coming from the RC Congo. We want Kisoro district to benefit from that project because most of the hosting districts have been benefiting from Dr. D. So as Kisoro, Bundubujo, all the transit districts are also going to benefit. And it's a very big multi-million grant from World Bank to the government of Uganda.
Ogo yaireka munyakabande nebasa kurinda empunzi zona ezirukwija bitu kucakubaho bakeyongera nibija kureba eco kongeraho.
But at the moment we are able to handle, and when we see the numbers are expanding, we shall definitely come back and be able to do the expansion. The structures have now improved. We had to the dormitories here in the transit center are all now well facilitated. They have all the facilities, toilets, water and everything.
Perutha natumanya bampa orukwera omuntebekaniza z'ekitongole kya Save the Children Uganda nayoleka ngo hariho bakubire nibetenga okureberera kurunja abana.
Ntwenda support na government na funders kuzimba kama shomero, especially mu resettlement areas. Koje ngo hari amashomero mingi ishika resettlement no shangishomero hari yo twazimba y'amashomero kandi bakatwerezana n'abashomesa okubegesa ababana binja kuba bazayo kikayandira ababana kuzayishomero.
All refugees are accessing education, good education, actually better than any other part of this country, because through the partners they have the best teachers, they have the best materials, scholastic materials.
Omwanya gwa Nyakabande Refugee Transit Center gureberera abantu barengera mu mutwaro abatorokera habwo rutaro hagati y'abahekera ba M23 na namahegi hanga lya Kongo okwiho kwezi kwa kashatu mwaka gwa 2022. Amakuru agagasha kwa Job namanya.